This is Shelley Kraft. We're coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the NIBA conference. We're here in New Orleans 2012. Terry Tormey, Prevention Pharmaceuticals, a private company, is right here with me. Tell me about your company, Terry, and welcome to SNNLive.
Thanks, Sheldon. Prevention Pharmaceuticals, I'd like to introduce you to today, is a growing consumer health products company featuring patented Yale-derived technologies. And our first products are non-prescription products. Our flagship brand is called Omax-3, O-M-A-X-3. And it is a fish oil product. But unlike most store-bought fish oil products, it has a heavy concentration of the active ingredient called omega-3. What most people don't know is that the part of the fish oil capsule that one derives healthcare benefit from is called omega-3. Most store-bought products have very little omega-3 in it. Usually only 25 to 30% of that capsule is omega-3. The rest is saturated fats and fillers and things that you clearly don't want. Omax-3, that's O-M-A-X, the number 3, is greater than 91% concentration of omega-3, the highest of any product available anywhere in the world, coupled with a unique ratio of the two components of omega-3 called EPA and DHA, and so unique that we received 2 U.S. patents on the formula for Omax-3. So Yale University-derived technology, consumer product, no prescription required, and it's patented, unlike most dietary supplements and non-prescription products.
So you just gave me my next question.
Okay.
Dietary supplement.
Yes, sir.
So what is that? A nutraceutical? Is that an FDA-approved product? Is that, how do you categorize it so that obviously, you have an investor audience, you have a possible purchaser of the product audience. So explain a little bit about that.
I think most of the investors will know what a prescription product is. Typically, that's a product that is required a doctor's signature on a prescription, typically somewhere between $100 million and $1 billion to develop, and takes years to get onto the market. Products such as dietary supplements are technically a food product, and that makes sense. Our fish oil capsule is a food product. There is some regulatory guidance, of course. In fact, we're regulated by 2 bodies, the Food and Drug Administration and the Federal Trade Commission. And the classification of ingredients is called GRAS, G-R-A-S, which stands for Generally Recognized as Safe. If your product is on the GRAS list, you can market it in the United States as a dietary supplement without a prescription.
So that makes it something like a vitamin.
Oh, yes, sir. Yeah, it's very much like another type of supplement, a vitamin, and it's an all-natural product, which is very important to consumers today. I'm not sure if you're aware of it, but so many consumers today are wary of prescription products. And why not? You look at the likes of Vioxx and Meridia and Bextra. These were all prescription products deemed as safe and effective by the U.S. FDA, and they were yanked off the American market because they were killing people. So the consumer is more inclined today than ever before to self-medicate and to do so with natural products. And that's what Omax-3 is.
What is this used for?
Oh, good question. There are a variety of uses of omega-3. I guess the most commonly recognized is for heart health. Most people recognize that omega-3s help lower cholesterol and lower triglycerides. But there's also a central nervous system effect, affecting things such as your eye health and even improving cognition and memory enhancement. So how does one product address all of these needs? It's because the ratio of the Omax-3, EPA, the DHA, that patented component, addresses the important issue of inflammation. And if you address inflammation, you're addressing the root source of a variety of different types of diseases, including cardiovascular, CNS diseases, including your eye health. There's also joint health. So that's how one product can handle so many different types of ailments, and people use it for those types of reasons.
So it's Omax-3
Yes, sir.
with omega-3.
Catchy, isn't it? Yeah.
Well, it makes it a no-brainer. What is your website?
The website is a long one. I apologize. It's www.preventionpharmaceuticals.com. And the Omax one is much simpler, www.omax3.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is interesting. We're going to have to find out more about this. I want you back. Ladies and gentlemen, Terry Tormey, Prevention Pharmaceuticals, a private company. Thank you for coming on to SNNLive and telling us about the product.
Well, you're more than welcome, and thank you for having me.
You're quite welcome.